Hi guys, so every time I think about these veggies, these are pumpkin leaves, I think about Beryl's story. So if you don't follow her, maybe you can go to her Facebook page and follow it. So anyway, these are pumpkin leaves. I got them from home. So I started this video by just prepping them so that I can keep them. They had slept over like a day, so I did not want them to go bad. So here I am just chopping them into pieces, and then I'll proceed and cook them. So for us, or for me, I start by putting the ash solution and salt in a pan. Then I add the veggies, and then I'll blanch them for about 5 minutes, and they'll be good to go. Sijui huwa zinaenda wapi ukishachemsha because they'll be so kidogo once they are done. Just look at it guys, and it was a full pot of mbogas, but this is it. And later that day I went to this new store in Pipeline. Watu wa Pipeline jamani, hata mwezi tuambia. There's a new supermarket called Jaza, and their prices are quite fair. Like, look at this tomato paste, guys. It's 125 shillings. And then they have the tomato sauce. They have, I think on every aisle, on every product, they have something that is branded by their name, which I found, I don't know, it's unique, I don't know what, but the pricing is fair. I haven't used the products, so I cannot speak of the quality, but once I do, maybe I'll do a review. They also have, like, on this aisle, they have these toilet powders and toilet cleaners. This is a scouring powder. I think it's universal. So if you're looking for somewhere to shop on budget and you are around Embakasi Pipeline, you can try out this supermarket. I don't know if it's an offer or if this will be their prices, because they say the supermarket has been in existence for 2 months. I just saw it this week. So yeah, if you can go there and shop or check out the prices, they have a variety of household stuff. You can go there and see. And so here I was going to pick some tissue paper and some serviettes. Guys, just look at the quality. They have like really good quality tissue papers. I think it's one of the best qualities that I have bought in the Kenyan market. So if you would want to go and try them out, then this is your cue. And then I also picked some serviettes. Can you imagine, this standard pack was going for 79 shillings, which I thought was quite a deal.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off.
So from the supermarket, I got these 2 packets of milk because I was not so sure about the milk. I'll try it and maybe review it. Then I picked some serviettes or napkins, and then the tissue paper. Guys, you can see the quality is really good. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice or not, but yeah, it is good quality. This one I have already used. And then I passed by a wholesale shop and bought sugar there. This one was going for 145 shillings per kilo, unlike the supermarket, which was a bit higher. Then I also went to another supermarket, and they were selling these tissues at 299 shillings, which I thought was quite a deal. I have used this brand before, so I'm sorted for a while. And I got the wow-wows, ndio ringos, just because. Yeah, and then these are my hair oils. Yeah, I had already used this packet that day. And then I got a couple of other things which were groceries. These shoes were gifted to me by a friend from town. So guys, if you would want such, then maybe I can plug you to her. The outer part is not canvas, it's this soft type that you can just wipe up. But I am planning to dye the inside of the shoe, because washing white shoes soles is just crazy. Yeah. And this is my receipt from that supermarket: the serviette, the milk, and the whatever it cost 400 and something shillings, and this was from the wholesale shop. And then my son gifted me this bag. Yeah, it seems like Mwezi, it's a month of being gifted. I also got a few other things that you'll see later in this video.
Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no.
This one I was also gifted by a friend. They sent me money and I went and bought it because I had seen it and I really wanted it. I have done a review on my channel. You can go and check it out. And also I got a couple of DIY stuff. Yeah, that yeah, DIY is expensive, guys. You have to keep buying supplies. Then the next thing that I bought were now groceries. I normally eat 90% of these things for breakfast in substitute of bread. So I got green maize, cassava, nduma. There were some guashes that are not included here. And then the tomatoes, guys. Hey, bei ya nyanya jamani. It is, the tomatoes are just too pricey nowadays. I don't know what's happening to the market. So I'm washing the maize because I bought it kama imetolewa, and I thought maybe it's dirty. I don't know. It just looks right to wash. And then I will boil them, and then I'll go ahead and just peel these other dumas and cassavas and also boil.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been, tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Take flight. So what have you been sitting there and thinking?
So this was the following day. This is everything boiled and cooled down, just ready to be kept. I had some dumas, some cassava, some chicken, green maize, and tomatoes, just everything that I had bought. Those are white ants or termites. So everything that I had bought was ready to be prepped, but these cassavas and dumas, they were to be eaten that day. That's why they're in big bowls. I did not separate them. They are just ready to be warmed up and used for that day.
And then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you.
So later that evening I was hosting, and this was the following day, and this is how the house was looking like. And because I had some work engagement, this was like midday when I was now finally getting time to clear everything up, you can see. So yeah, so let us reorganize this space together.
So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, 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 what's your mind type? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Every single second I just feel like I should say that I'm so glad I couldn't quit you. Every single moment I just hope you feel the same. It heals me when you say that you're done. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, 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 what's your
Hapa sasa ndo kulikuwa kumechafuka kabisa. So this is my kitchen and you can see dirty plates everywhere. So guys, I think I did this work for over an hour just washing the utensils because there were so many and they were, I think, spread out in the whole kitchen because I had tidied up all the other rooms. This is a whole sink full of dirty utensils. So I'm just going to proceed to wash everything up, and I start by emptying the rack of clean utensils that are dry, and then I'll go ahead now and wash up everything.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
So later when the utensils were dry, I removed them and kept them because they were dry. And now the next thing we're gonna do is to clear the cooker area because I had used it so much the previous day, so I'll clean the cooker first. This is that top lid of the cooker. It is really stained. I don't know what that is and I don't know how to wash it. If you know, kindly let me know in the comment section. So it is not a thorough clean. I'll just be cleaning lightly this place. It's not so dirty. Yeah, and that is the next part of the video.
Empty hearts and neon lights.
So guys, this is my living room space. You can see how empty it is. So for some reasons I sold all my furniture and tuko hapa sasa. I know that I'll get other things and I'll furnish them step by step, maybe this time to my taste. This is everything. I couldn't give away my plants, and 90% of the stuff remaining here are of sentimental value because, yeah, just because maybe I made them fast. And the things under that table, 90% of them are my DIY stuff things. So, yeah, I couldn't give them away. So, thank you so much for watching my video up to this point. I don't take it for granted. Please remember to subscribe if you're new, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos. May God bless you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Get me out of broken hearts and start and fight.